Oh, it's exploring time, baby. I'm gonna climb this thing, dude. I'm not mic'd up right now. I brought my mic, but I don't got it on me. Dude. Sweet. Slightly raining. Dude, just hang out on here. Oh, shoot, almost just fell. Backwards into that. Probably would have landed on that log right there. Would not have been fun. Oh. Came off a campsite. That's my bike right there. But now we're on our own and walking the trails. Because these trees are falling. Crap shaking. You guys are in 0.5 right now, so. Dude, the little fort back here. Only if it's for a couple days, dude. Just kind of walk and explore. So when somebody steals my bike, should be going, dude. Look at this branch. Holy crap, it's like no weight in the front. Sorry about my finger being in the way. I think it was just kind of heavy. For how thin and dead it is, everything's heavy. Try to remember where the trail is. And try and keep you guys kind of looking behind me. So if you get like lost or anything, I kind of know which direction to head to. I kind of want to look at this though. Well, that's what I'm kind of walking towards, but I kind of want to look at this. All right, dude. Look in there. Look at that. Look at this thing though. Sweet. Oh, there's so many daddy long legs in there. Dude, this whole place. It's the middle of the woods and being in the middle of the woods, bro. This place is sick. Alright, so far I remember. And I'm already lost. So I think I went deeper from here. Okay, that must have been further than where I was. So I just remember that if I go this way and eventually look that way, I'll find my bike. Or just where I kind of started from. But I think this is kind of where the trail. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this is where the trail veered off. Okay, there's the spot. Oh, I was really close to the. Oh, there's a bunch of kids back here. Yo, what's up? Oh, wait, yeah, the trail. Okay, let's continue on the trail and not go off. So that's how you get lost. So, bad nature advice. And like I said, if you're gonna like go off a trail, make sure you're always recording so you can look back and kind of see, But I'm gonna go to these kids' trail. Dude, look at this tree, bro. Make a tree house on that thing. Be pretty sweet. Oh, they ran through here. She's little. I might have to grab my bike and like start riding this crap. Okay, so there's a campsite there, and it runs all the way through. And I kind of want to look down here unless they were running through right here. There's another path right there. You can't really see it because it's so zoomed out. This is just like a nice, just like a little walking trail. And like I said, if you like go off path, you will 100% or almost 100% get lost. As you can see, it goes up, and then it's like a little divoted area. Those are almost like perfectly placed, how they're all like leaning on each other. But it's almost like a river. Like used to run through here or something, and then it like goes back up, bumps up or whatever. Let's go back to my bike. Dude, this place is sick. Dude, like I 100%. Yo, dude, look at this thing. Like it's so dark for me. It's bright for you guys, but dude, look at this thing. Look at all the holes in it. It's sweet. I don't know. It's just like bugs, but dude, it's just so cool to me. Like I go outside like relatively often. Dude, this place is just sick. Pretty much just nature vlog out here, you know? Go out into some trails or whatever and just start riding, man. I was riding around, I was about to head back to my campsite, and I just saw this random trail that just veered off of someone's campsite. I was like, dude, I gotta go explore that. So here we are. In the campground on some sketchy trails. Oh, excuse me. I'm just mic'd up for this, you know. I think you guys can get some ambient noise. Some cars back there. Ooh, almost in my head. Seriously. This is kind of like a clear. This was like a clearing area, and then a bunch of trees fell over and everything, as you can clearly see. Of course, my bike is right there, and I know if I get truly lost, I can just walk in that direction. Just kind of walk. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I know that I'm directly in the sunlight. The trail is right on the sunlight. I should just remind myself. All right, guys, I'm just letting you know so I don't get lost. Let myself know so I don't get lost. Hey, dude, this tree is so old. Ooh, look at that. That's hollow. It's a hollow tree. I'm gonna go check out that one. That's gonna be a tree at some point. Oh, dude, this thing's huge. This place is huge. It's like quiet and just straight solitude. Just hang out here a couple of hours or something. Just hang out with a couple friends or whatever. Yeah, so I walk in through here, and then that's where the trail is. Oh, look at this. Sorry. You guys weren't able to see it. Oh, I can't even knock it down. This thing's still sturdy. Oh, look at this one. Pretty freaking sweet. Alright, guys, I'm probably gonna be headed back. So it's gonna be like in a nature blog. I don't know. And episode 1, I guess you could call it. Sweet, secluded area. All by myself. This is definitely nice. I was just listening to music, just vibing on the cement path, or whatever. Almost just died. But yeah, this place is pretty sweet. I'm gonna head back to my bike though. This place is pretty nice. I don't know how good the camera work is. some found footage type. Oh, dude, that dead tree just goes straight up. Oh, you can see the top of it. Okay. Right there. That thing's tall, dude. Just comes all the way down. Yeah, there's logs everywhere. Just walking. All right, I'm gonna take my bike from there, take it over there. I'm just gonna see how that goes, you know. Just stop on our bike. You guys are kind of seeing where I'm gonna veer into. Now you guys are kind of seeing a sideways view. Trying to be as safe as possible on my bike as I can with the phone in hand. I'm about to put you guys away for a second. Dude, all right, we're on a different trail now. So it goes out. Yo, chat, right at the crib. This thing's pretty sweet. It's definitely not weather resistant, but throw some leaves on here or whatever, improve this thing. Definitely could be. All right, chat. We go find somewhere to use the bathroom and I don't know.